YouTube reverses course on controversial swearing and monetization policy. Colorful language is now mostly allowed. They had a policy with something in the beginning of the video. No language in the beginning of the video. It was really weird. The new profanity rules YouTube introduced late last year are now being relaxed with an update outlining a less restrictive policy that will allow the use of moderate and strong profanity to be used without risking demonetization. The original policy, first introduced in November, would flag any video that used rude language in the first several seconds as ineligible for advertising, with little delineation between strong or moderate swearing. The policy also seemed to apply retroactively, with many creators claiming that videos they published before the updated policy had lost their monetization status. Now YouTube is reversing course with a tweaked set of rules that allows some swearing. At least that's what they say publicly. You know how the shadow stuff works. They'll be like, yeah, full monetization. And you're like, why did my thing make 30 cents? Well, I don't know why that person's old. Why did my thing make 30 cents? Shout out Micah Moore. The update also clarifies that strong language in the background, outro, or intro music should not affect monetization status. The new language policy goes into effect starting March 7th. And while it doesn't address every concern creators had about the November rule set, it should make it easier for most YouTubers to continue to monetize their videos. This is the thing I always thought was funny, is like the monetization button versus actual monetization. So you'd be like, it's all good. It's green. We're monetizing. But then you could have one niche on YouTube that's earning one particular RPM and then another one which is 1/10 of that other RPM. So it's like, it's just a badge. It doesn't mean that swearing can still hurt you. Obviously, advertiser demand could change based on the subject matter of your content. Whether YouTube says, hey, it's monetized, we'll find an advertiser for you, doesn't mean you're getting paid the same as if you would have skipped the word. And this is where things get goofy. It's like, let's consider what an advertiser might want. Let's stop pretending that Google has the magic wand of RPMs for everyone. They don't. It's a huge range over there. And anyone who's goofing with shorts or TikTok has already recognized that the type of content has a much bigger part to play on what you end up getting paid than anything else. And YouTube makes it easy for those companies to determine where they want to be and what they want to be advertised against. So you might have a green badge on there and the thing is laced with profanity and you're like, way to go, Google. This doesn't mean you're making as much money as somebody who would have skipped the word. Unless YouTube wants to come on here, unless Neil wants to come on here and say, no. You put all the words, you make all the money. If he wants to come on here and say that, then fine. But for me, it's just common sense. You're able to exclude certain types of content as an advertiser. And what might you target? Well, you might target sensitive language. You might target profanity.
Yeah. And there's different levels of profanity based on YouTube's guidelines here. Moderate and strong. So I'm not going to say it, but... it doesn't seem too bad. You can say the moderate stuff, but, the strong stuff is obviously F-bombs and stuff.
Yeah, that's where they say limited or no ad revenue. But I'm not even going to that level, Will. I'm just saying that you have full ad availability, but it's not a niche or a subject that companies are paying a lot to be against. That's all I'm saying.
Okay.
Just that RPM range. Shout out Miguel. He's telling us to try Jollibee, Filipino food.
I love Jollibee.
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
Great time.
Okay.
I like the sweet spaghetti.
So I didn't go.
Are you jealous? What?
Well, I'm just saying I can't comment.
Oh, okay.
I can still try. He's suggesting I try.
You're just so aggressive with you not going.
I didn't go. Because
well,
I go past it sometimes, and
yeah, it's great.
I'm like,
go
I should
check
go.
it out.
But there's another Filipino one over here too that competes with Jollibee, right?
Which one? Jollibee's big.
No, I know Jollibee's big, but there's another one that competes with Jollibee. They got a few locations around here. I can't remember on maybe on Steels.
Okay.
No. Okay, never mind.
Yeah.
It's fine. I can't remember the name of it right now. There's a couple of them.
Yeah.
Couple Filipino restaurants here that. Well, we got a Filipino population over here, Will. Did you know that?
Yeah. Shout out, the Filipino gang.
Shout out Filipino Toronto because it's big.
Yeah.
So let me just... I got to get this name. No, well...
Oh, here we go.
Listen, dude, I got to get the names for you over here. I was thinking of... What was I thinking of over here? No. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe get rid of me here. But it's funny. I write Filipino restaurant. It doesn't even come with Jollibee, so maybe that's too like fast food-ish.
Yeah.
To be considered. Do you know what I'm saying, Will?
Yeah, I hear you.
Because it's more of a fast food situation, isn't it?
Mary Brown's.
Where's my closest Jollibee anyway?
Max Chicken.
Oh, yes. What was it? What did you just say?
Max's Chicken.
Yeah, Max's Chicken. Is that Filipino?
I don't know.
I think that might be it, Will. Damn, I got to go down. Where do I go?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
It is, right?
Okay. Cuisine of the Philippines.
Cuisine of the Philippines in Vaughan. You understand? I go past this one a lot. Jollibee, what do I got to go into a mall or something? No. Where do I got to go, Will?
There's Jollibee in and around the GTA.
Yeah, here. This is the one I got to go to, but it looks like it's in a mall. It's in the Promenade Mall. I didn't want to go into a mall. What about this one over here? It's also in a mall.
Yeah.
I got to go in a mall?
Uh-huh.
All right. Well, I'll figure it out. I'll give it a crack. I'll do a 1-2 on it. Maybe I'll bring it on the show. You never know.
Yeah.
We're doing all kinds of things on this show. What was the other thing we guaranteed to do on this show? We were just talking about it.
Costco.
The Kirkland Drip episode.
The modeling fashion show.
Well, listen.